Guardian Storage presents How to Store Major Appliances. Storing major appliances like a refrigerator, dishwasher, or stove can seem like a daunting task given how much they cost and their overall size. But with the right prep work, they can be stored safely for a long period of time. First, use a climate-controlled unit to avoid temperature changes, which can cause damage to your appliances. Then, be sure to remove any water from hoses or internal components such as holding tanks, filters, and defrost pans prior to cleaning. Make sure to clean the inside and outside of your appliances thoroughly to avoid pests, mold, or mildew growth. Once your appliances are clean and completely dry, use strong tape to secure doors for safe transport. Once they arrive at the unit, tape should be removed and doors should be left slightly open to prevent any mildew growth. Appliances that contain glass or fragile finishes should be wrapped with bubble wrap and covered with moving blankets to avoid damage. These areas should also be marked as fragile, so they can be handled with care during the moving process, and to avoid contact with heavier items once they are placed in storage. Storing items inside appliances is not recommended, and they should always be transported upright to avoid damage to the internal components. Once your appliances arrive at the unit, they should be covered with a sheet or tarp to avoid any dust exposure, but air should be able to circulate around the appliance freely. For help with all your packing and storage needs, call or stop by one of our locations to speak with an experienced Guardian Storage certified storage consultant.